can have some.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Here, Maya.
Oh my God, it's so fast.
It's those chilled air. You know what chilled airs are?
Here you go. Go in there.
No.
Don't put it in the bottle.
Open this one. Come.
Hey, cutie.
Come on, play with the bird.
He's dead.
Aw, don't be scared. Don't say that.
Are you okay? Whoa. Can't go through there. We gotta take you back home. Look how big his feet is. He has big feet.
Looks like the camera's blurry. Close up. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, they were drowning.
Where'd you get him at the field?
They were drowning.
Are you gonna go put them back?
Yes, he is.
No, I'm keeping him.
Okay, let it run again.
Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
Oh my God, it's too fast.
Go that way. No, 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 no. No, go that way.
So cute.
That guy is taking time
Why do you go over there? You little thing.
What are you doing to it? Don't do that.
Ice cream.
Would you stop? Oh my God.
He's ice cream. See, because he's
Aw,
like,
so cute.
it's like caramel, then chocolate, and then vanilla.
Wait,
Go into my ice cream cup.
you're scaring it. Move.
I want him to go